Index notebooks allow you to organize your digital notes in the same way physical files or binders will allow you to organize physical documents. In today's video, we will be going through everything you need to know about index notebooks. Hey guys, it's Ropsy, back with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. If you're new to my channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe if you're looking for solutions to go paperless with your work, studies, or business. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you turn on your notifications so you know each time we release new videos. This video is going to cover the following. What are indexed notebooks? An example of how I've used indexed notebooks, advantages of using them, and disadvantages. Indexed notebooks are hyperlinked PDFs that allow you to create a contents page for your notes. So all you have to do is fill in the contents page in your PDF and the relevant linked pages. Due to the limitation in Notability, which is my main note-taking application, I use index notebooks to add that extra level of organization in my notes. I prefer my lecture, rough, and class notes in one notebook. On this page, I have all the topics in this notebook, each with a hyperlink to the title page for that topic in this notebook. All the notes related to a topic will go under the title page, and you can have as many pages under this topic as you need. Each title page has a hyperlink that will take you back to the contents page. There are many ways to use index notebooks. You can use them like I'm doing to keep different topics for one subject in one place. You can use them to break down projects into smaller ones. An index notebook would also allow you to break down big topics into smaller chunks that you can focus on. If you want all your notebooks for a particular subject or project in one place, index notebooks best organizes them in one place. They're easier to keep track of if they're in one document versus when each is an individual notebook in the application. Since note-taking applications can't create hyperlinks yet, this is a viable alternative if you ever wanted hyperlinks in your notes. Index notebooks will help you navigate through long documents. Complex indexed notebooks don't work well the more notes you add to them. These notebooks are PDFs. The more complex they are, the more notes you can store in them naturally, but that then makes the PDF much bigger. Most PDF readers don't handle huge files well, and this is something that PDF readers for the iPad generally need to work on. It's thus best to keep your notebook simpler. Should anything happen to your notebook, you lose everything if you use index notebooks to collect everything in one place. If your notes are in separate notebooks, you may lose some and keep some. But generally, to prevent losing your notes, we recommend syncing and auto-backing up your notes to make sure you can recover lost or damaged notes if a bug messes up with your app. iPadOS 13.5 seems very buggy, and a lot of people have lost their notes as a result. I know a lot of people suffered from liquid text. My heart goes out to you, really. If you want hyperlinks in your notes, why not just get a hyperlinked notebook instead? It is cheaper and easier to use in your preferred application, and you don't have to purchase an application to create hyperlinks. For those wanting simple index notebooks, I recommend Simply Digital Designs notebooks. But if you want something a little more sophisticated, then look into Brookbot's digital notebands. The Brookbot's digital shop has simple as well as complex, sophisticated looking notebands. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you guys think about index notebooks in general. For that person who's thinking to dislike this video, just curious, what's your problem? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.